Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. I'll be picking cards from 2 decks, so I'll be picking 5 cards each. So whichever cards you want to watch, you can watch that, guys. So for your daily energies, first we are picking cards from this deck. I'll be picking 5 cards each. So whichever cards gets your attention, you can choose that. So more cards from the other deck. And I'll be picking 1 card for your angel guidance, guys. So we can pick that card at last. So if you want to see this reading for your daily energies, you can watch this, guys, or you can skip to this reading that will follow this reading. So first we will open these cards. Knight of Wands in reverse, 2 of Pentacles in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, 9 of Wands in reverse, and 6 of Pentacles. I hope you can see the cards here. 6 of Pentacles. With these cards here, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you are supporting people, or you are taking people's support and help in your life today. Maybe you may ask somebody's help, or you may be in a position of helping others, guys. So that dependency is there today for you all. That is what I see here. You are depending on people, or somebody is depending on you for your help. That is what I see here. And maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, things are going well, but there are a few things that are stressing you. Some kind of obstacles or some kind of suspensions are there in your work, or in your if you are in a relationship with this person. Though you are together, though you are a couple, you may be having some misunderstandings and some kind of a separation. Something is separating you both, dividing you both, not separating you, dividing you. Maybe some misunderstandings or some quarrels, arguments, whatever that is, guys. Something is coming in between you both. So that is what I see here. And also this may relate to your personal life or in your career. You may be getting some important communication, some documentation, something in writing is reaching you. Maybe some important emails, or it may be regarding some projects, some agreements, or some financial deals that you are making, or in your business it may be regarding some projects or new ventures. Something, some communication in writing is reaching you. That is what I see here. And maybe for most of you all it will be something good, but for some of you all it may be something bad, guys. Maybe some suspensions or some termination of some projects, or in your personal life it may denote some messages stating their view, or something personal. Maybe they want to take a break from you. Something bad might also reach you. That is what I see here. And also you may feel that in your position right now, you are in some way you are feeling weak in some way. Maybe you are having some illness, or because of the stress you may be feeling emotionally drained and stressed. That may be the reason for this weakness, or it may be your health. So something is draining your energy and your confidence and your strength, so you need to watch out for that, guys. Taurus, that is what I see here. So if you are interested in this card, let us see what is the reading for you all, guys. I'll be giving the timestamp, guys, so you can watch it accordingly. So we will turn the cards now. Snake, stork, tree, sixth, and rider. So I hope you can see the cards here, guys, clearly. With these cards, the energy for your Taurus. Again, here we see that you are getting some important news today, guys, just like the previous cards. Maybe something important is coming your way, some kind of announcements or some news is coming your way. And though in this relationship or in your work situation, with these cards, guys, maybe you are getting some important news today, and you may be starting on something new. Some positive ventures are coming up, some opportunities are opening in your life. Maybe this may relate to your career situation. Some new ventures are coming your way, or it may relate to your personal life. With this person, you are beginning a new relationship, maybe, guys, for some of you all, or you may be starting a family. And also I see here that for some of you all, maybe you have that affection and love, that intimacy in this relationship. You are deeply attracted to them, but you feel something is missing in this relationship. Maybe they have their own line of thought, something they are not telling you, some things that they are hiding, guys. That is what I see here with this card. Maybe today you may be getting clarity on that situation, or about something that you need clarity about regarding this person. So they may come out with the truth today, something they may reveal, guys. And Taurus, in your life, you are trying to have that structure. You are in a way building your career, and even in your personal life, you are structuring your life, you are stabilizing. So what you need to do, all those actions and efforts you are putting in, that is what I see here. And with this card here, guys, especially I see that maybe you, if you were in some kind of misunderstandings, you may be overcoming that misunderstanding, or that negative phase may be coming to an end, and things may move towards something positive for you all, guys. That is what I see here with this top card and with this rider. Some important news, something that may change your life, maybe in your work, some major transformation, and something really good may be coming your way. Whatever you have planned for, that careful planning, whatever you had, so all that is giving the results today. That is what I see here. You are getting what you deserve truly, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So for your oracle guidance, we'll be picking one card, guys, from the oracle deck. This may relate to your work situation, and your relationship, guys. So what is the card? 41, soulmates. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you all, in your career or in your personal life, you may meet with some people. When we meet some people, we may feel that instant repulsion or instant attraction. When we have that feeling, we need to understand that these people are meant to be in our life, guys. They are destined to be in our life. They are our soulmates. So they are there just for us to get that evolution. So sometimes in our relationship, we feel so overwhelmed with happiness when we are in relationship with that person, or certain relationships, it may just break us down, tear us down. We will be so much shattered, and we give up parts of ourselves in those struggling times. We will know the truth about ourselves when we face so much confusion and obstacles in our situation, guys. So those times you need to understand that these people are there just to guide you towards your evolution, towards your personal journey, in knowing what you are. So that is the only reason they are there. And even in our work situation, with people, our mentors, business partners, helpers, employees, whoever it is, with whomever we are working. So they are there just to support us in our dreams, and the journey we take part with them is most important to us, guys, for that collaboration, that commitment, and creating the avenues of opportunities for us. So whatever that has been waiting for us, so we reach it with the help of those people. So they are very important to us. That is what this card is about. So sometimes those people may be we may have a positive relationship with our soulmates, but sometimes it may be a negative one. Just like I said, this relationship may break us down. We need not worry, because more than the positive, the negative relationships give us the most wanted lessons in life, guys. So they are there just to give us that gift of learning in our life, understand ourselves, understand the other person. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about, Taurus, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.